Hello, yes. Thank you for coming. What was that? My shirt? Whose shirt? His shirt? Oh, my shirt's on. Oh, I'll be back. Sorry. Sorry. Hello, I'm Jill's husband. Hi, how you doing? Oh, my mask. Hold on. My mask. Hold on. Oh. Hi, I'm Jill's husband. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for choosing Harley-Davidson. Yes. You're here by your bike. Yes, I was just talking to the mechanic about the bike recently, maybe about a minute ago. I was just talking to him about your bike. Hold on, let me see. Sorry, like I said, I was just talking to your mechanic about your bike just about 2 minutes ago. Hold on, let me see. Let's see here. Hold on, let me see. Oh, the bill, yes. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. Sorry about the delays, of course. I apologize about waiting so long. Yes, it took a couple weeks to fix your bike, but I mean, that's just what happens. I mean, you got to mandate. You got to make sure people are getting their vaccinations, and if people aren't doing that, then we got to cut them out. We got to lay them off. We got to fire them. Hey, but look at the bright side. 100% vaccination at this business. Yes, we're putting out people on the street. Yes, we're taking away their medical care, and yes, we're starving their families, taking away their opportunity to feed their families. But look at the bright side. 100% vaccination at this company. I did that. Anyways, yeah, your vehicle, yeah, the bill turned out to be $3,000. I'm sorry. 3,000 sounds a lot, but keep in mind, I mean, if you're working overtime for the next couple months, you'll be able to pay that off. So it's basically zero. Yes, it's not costing you anything. You just put in that overtime and it pays for itself. That's right. So let's go ahead and look at what we did to your bike. We did quite a bit of a few services here. Let's see. We went ahead and changed the blinker fluid. Yes, that's right. We changed the blinker fluid for you. Yes, I've been doing that for 150 years. I know it sounds a little funny, but I've been doing it for 150 years. I've been changing the blinker fluid on all my vehicles, on my bikes, everything. Wait a minute. Oh, brake fluid. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. Brake fluid. Yes. I meant brake fluid. Sorry, here, hold on. Let me look at your paperwork. Yes, brake fluid. Yeah, I mean, like I said, we did quite a few things. We changed the brake fluid, we changed the transmission fluid, and we come on, bring that up. I can't see that from here. You know what? Come on, man. You know the thing, man. Come on. Don't worry about it, okay? Come on. You know what? I don't worry about polls, and I don't worry about the overall numbers. And I don't care if you're satisfied with the service or anything like that, okay? I'm here to make sure my job gets done, and that's advise you on how to take care of your bike. Look, if you hold near and dear to your heart where am I? Hold on. What was that? Hold on. Something just came up. You have something on your chin. Wait a minute. He doesn't have anything. Oh, I have something on my. Oh, hold on. Anyways, you know what? All of this is confusing. I get that, but tell me, Jack. Do you have any kids? Yes. How about this? How about you invite me over to dinner, and maybe I could watch your kids, babysit them, and we could forget this whole thing. The bill, that's right. Yes, the $3,000, I'll pay for it myself. You just got to invite me over to dinner. It'll be a jolly old time. And hold on, how old did you say your kids were? 3 to 5? Perfect. Perfect. Yes, yes. Just invite me over to dinner, and we can forget about the bill. How about that, Jack? Huh? What do you think? Sounds good? I thought so. All right. How about we just get you to your bike, and we're finished here, and I'll be seeing you on Friday. And hey, if you have plans with the fam or with the wife, just go ahead and plan those things. And you know what? I'll stay over with the kids. I'll watch them for you. Thank you, vatos. Muchas gracias for visiting again, for clicking on the video, commenting, liking the video. Thank you for sharing the video. Much appreciated. You guys go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know if you guys are willing to let Biden watch over your kids. If you could save yourself $3,000, are you willing to do it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching yet another video. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later. You know what? Don't be asking me any difficult questions. All right, just stick to the script, man. Come on, Jack. Come on, man. You know the thing. The thing. Yeah. I mean, you're supposed to ask me about ice cream. Don't be asking me about blinker fluid. What was it? Yeah, blinker? No, brake fluid. Brake fluid. Man, this is tough. Yeah, don't imagine if I had to run the country, huh? Oh yes, this is top shelf stuff. Oh, yes, I feel a lot better now. You make sure you keep on bringing those kids up from the border. Ever since we lost Epstein, a lot of my friends are having trouble now.